Hello and welcome. I'm George Crump, lead analyst at Storage Switzerland. This is another product review series that we're going to be starting. This is the initial setup for the Unitrends Recovery Appliance backup and recovery products. Unitrends was kind enough to send us a Recovery 711 to test and put through its paces. Their website is here and you can go there for additional information. But for now, let's log into the recovery console. Setup was extremely easy. Literally plugged it into the wall, connected the cables, got it on the network, gave it an IP address, and we were able to get directly into the system. So we'll go ahead and log in here, and you can see it comes up fairly quickly. The first thing you're presented with is a status of the different backups for your clients. We've got three active at this point in time. You have a very quick sort of heads-up display that tells you whether or not backups are working. So this one has been pretty flawless. We've had a couple of issues with this one. It's a incredibly large volume, and I stopped the backup the first night we had it set up, and then last night we were running backups and had a power failure in the lab, so that's why that thing. The good news is the Recovery 711 definitely had a hard crash and had no issues as a result, although we certainly would recommend that you would normally put it on a UPS. And then this Mac server here has been successful 2 times in a row. In fact, that backup actually just completed. To look at the status of a current job, you go to the Tools menu and the Job Status view, and you can see that this backup is going along quite nicely now. It's a little slow because it's right now it's currently backing up a SCSI volume, and on that SCSI volume is that SCSI volume is connected on a 1 gig Ethernet segment. That 1 gig Ethernet segment is also the same segment that's sending the data out, so we're pushing that segment probably a little harder than we normally would. You can see that when a backup completes, you get a successful message in there. These eventually clear off, and then right now we're running a verify job on that product right now, on that server right now. So that's a quick overview of what the backups look like. The interface is extremely easy to navigate and move around in, and we'll show you some additional setup processes in our next video. So with a product called the Rapid Recovery Console, obviously one of the key things you want to do in any backup is be able to recover. So next up we will show a recovery.